and there are many stickers in this filter settings, so you can apply all by one, all. So like this, you can make zoom up and down, and you can try all these filters. And here is some. So all these stickers and filters are much better for your photo. So friends, try one by one. So next step is, if you want to write anything or if you want to add any text in your photos, you will click on layer and type here anything. So you can type anything. And you will zoom like this, and you can adjust this text in anywhere if you want. So if you want to change your font's color, you will click color and choose one of the best for your photo. So I am going to select this one, not matching, this one not matching, this. So you can easily make and create this and make big and small in your photo. And you will change your text font, so you can easily change like this. See friends, and next step is shadow. You can increase and decrease your font shadow like this. Like this. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to save your video photo, you will click here and click on save and capture and save, and your photo will be saved in your gallery. So friends, ta-ta, bye. Let